is the lecture number 8. Okay, again we are just talking about the different before coming in this lecture you must go in my previous lecture, then your concept it will be clear that what is the meaning of integral and how we are using it, and the simple integration how to solve it. Okay, so in this question I am again solving the double integration, okay, but by the help of change of order. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? Again I am explaining you what he has written here. So he has given you something x. It means that its meaning is he has given you y is equal to x square upon 4a, and that is y is equal to 2 square root ax. Okay, so it means that if this is y is equal to, then definitely it will be x is equal to, okay, that is x is equal to 4a, and this is dy dx. Okay, this is meaning of this. Okay, now if he has written this one x is equal to 0 to, you have to integration means you have to count total number of points from this to this. Okay, what is x is equal to 0? X is equal to 0 is this, to x is equal to 4a, x is equal to 4a is this. It means that we have to count the total number of points from here to here. Okay, so in this condition everything will become okay, but we have to count total number of points inside this shadow part. Okay, so this is the meaning of this only. Okay, you have measured only this portion. Okay, so now after then he has written y is equal to something. What is this actually? This is actually he has given you this one, y square is equal to this, and he has given you y square is equal to 4ax. It means that y is equal to plus minus square root 4ax. It means that is plus minus 2 square root ax, but minus will not come. Why? Because we are in the positive quadrant, that is the positive plus quadrant. Okay, this is the plus, so we will remove this one negative. Okay, so you have this y is equal to something. Okay, y is equal to something. Okay, so after then he has given you something. Okay, so he has given you x square is equal to 4ay. It means that y is equal to x square upon 4a. That is the second value. Okay, this. So what he is doing at first x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4a. X is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 0, and that is 4a. X is equal to 4a. So he is counting total number of points from here to here. Integration means you are counting total number of points from here to here. You are adding total number of points from here to here. It means that you are using the summation. Summation means the integration. Okay, so now from here to here. After then you are using y is equal to something. What is y is equal to? Y is equal to this. And what is this? This is this. And what is this? This is this. Okay, so it means that after then you are counting total number of points from here to this one, because of the second curve is this, from here to this, here to this. Okay, it means that from here this curve to this curve. So the shaded portion it is coming. Are you looking my shaded portion? Okay, at first we use this to this, then after then this portion to this portion. Okay, so this shaded portion you are finding the shaded portion. Total how many points, how many pixels inside this shaded portion. Okay, so this. Now we have to use the change of order. Actually, what is the change of order? In the change of order, there are many books, they have written different methods. Okay, I am just writing something very simple logic. Okay, what will you do for the change of integration? Only one thing, the concept that is same, whatever I have just teach you. Okay, and you have to change only this x-axis and y-axis. Then after this something will happen here. I will just explain it. So what we have to do, we in this condition change of order, only one thing. In this condition, this is the x-axis. Now you will think that this is not x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, we are changing. Okay, and this is the y-axis, this is not y-axis, this is the x-axis. When you are replacing, in place of x you are replacing y, in place of y you are replacing x. What will happen in this condition? In this condition, this will also change, and in this condition, if this is x-axis, then this is y is equal to 0, and this is y x-axis, then this will also change. In this condition, this is y is equal to 4a. Okay, So this change, we have used this one, and also we have used this and this. In this condition, this will also change. This will also change. In this condition, this will be y square is equal to 4ax. Okay, and also this will also change in this condition. This will be x square is equal to 4ay. Okay, so now our integration, this integration, it will be totally changed. So what will happen in this condition? So what we have done, just look here. At first what we have taken, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4a. What we have done, at first we have done x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4a. Okay, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4a. X is equal to 0 to x. We have total number of count we have from here to here. Okay, similarly again we are doing in place of this. Okay, this is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to, in place of this we are taking y is equal to 4a. Y is equal to 4a. Very simple. Now after then what we have done, from here to here. After that, at first we count from here to here, and after then we count from here to here. Okay, so what is this? This is, we have taken this one, y is equal to this one. Okay, what is this? Go. Okay, in place of this we have taken this one. So now for this this is y is equal to, it means that this is x is equal to. So x is equal to means y square upon 4a. Okay, very simple. X is equal to y square upon 4a. Now after then what we have done, at first we have counted from here to here, then after then here to, from here to here. Okay, from here to here. Okay, we are just using we are finding this portion from this curve we have written. Okay, then now what about this one? This one is, before it was y square is equal to 4ax, now this one is this. But here we have to write 4x is equal to, so what is x is equal to? Is square root 4ay. What is square root 4ay? Square root 4ay means 2 square root ay. Nothing. And after then this both are same. Now you can evaluate. Very simple, very simple. Don't go in your book. In the market, there are many authors. They have written a lot of concept. Okay, that is the best method. What they have given you, change the x-axis and y-axis. According to x-axis and y-axis, these function, it will be also changed. Whatever they have written, at first you have to understand actually what is this. And same pattern you have to write here. Okay, same rule. Only you have to change the pattern. Before it was x is equal to something, now it is y is equal to something. Before it was y is equal to something, now it is x is equal to something. Now you can find it. In the previous lecture, we have explained how to find the integration. Okay, now you can calculate. This is very simple. Okay, so, and if you want, then I will also calculate it. No problem. So you know that is a constant. Constant integration means, so this is x is equal to something. Okay, and this is y is equal to something. So it means that at first you have to calculate y. Okay, so this is y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4a, and this integration is y. Then after then you have to put, sorry, this is x. Okay, in place of x you have to put this one, x. Integration of x is equal to integration of dx is equal to x. Okay, so you have this, and this is x is equal to y square upon 4a. Okay, and this is x is equal to 2 square root ay. Then after then you will get 2 square root ay minus y square upon 4a. In place of x you put this value. Okay, then after then 0 to 4a. Okay, then this is dy. Now integrate it, you will get the result. This is very simple. Okay, so if you integrate, then you are getting 2. I am just solving here. Okay, I am solving here. Okay, then you are getting 2. Okay, this is 2. Then square root a, it will come outside, and square root y, if you will square root y, then you will get y ki power 3 upon 2. okay, upon 3 upon 2, upon 3 upon 2, minus, then you are getting, this is y cube upon 4a into 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, okay. So you are getting this one. So now you will put the whole value, it is 0 to 4a, okay. This is very simple. Now put, then you will get this result. This is 16a square upon 3. Same question I have solved in lecture number 7. Go to the lecture number 7. I have explained already this question, okay. So this is dedicated only the change of order. I think that you learn. If you are facing any problem, okay, just pause the video again. Whatever I have taught you, again pause it, listen. If you are facing any problem, then you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much.